Si Kong Marvin Rillo naman ay ilang beses na binabanggit ang pangalan ni Speaker Martin Romualdez bilang kanyang malapit na kaibigan.
Ngayon, si Zaldico ay nasa Amerika na. May sakit daw sa kasukasuan. But this has been a tale as old as time. Alam na natin yan. Bulok na yung kanilang mga gimmick. But now our problem remains. Will we be again and again and again none the wiser? Kasi sa lahat ng mga alegasyon ng korupsyon, akusasyon ng mga kontratista na supposedly nakipagnegosasyon at nakipagtransaksyon sa kanila at ng mga investigador at mga naimbestigahang lugar, bagay at tao, only two people remain consistent in their stories. Sina Romualdez at Zaldico. I'm graciously stepping down after clinging onto power for however long. Although it is notable to point out, however, that Romualdez met up with his cousin, President Bongbong Marcos, a day before he resigned.
Magandang umaga po, Yusek. Yusek, may we know what was discussed during the meeting of President Bongbong Marcos and House Speaker Martin Romualdez yesterday, and who were the people present during the meeting?
Ang maiko-confirm ka lamang po ay nagkita po sila ng Pangulo at kung ano po yung napag-usapan nila ay hindi po natin masasabi.
Okay, but clearly yesterday, Yusek, mainit po na usapin yung change of leadership in Congress. So I wonder if the President gave his blessings na mapalitan yung head ng Congress, considering that Congressman Toby Chanco himself said that although co-equal body, they respect the President, so they need to discuss the issue with the President.
Sa ngayon ay wala po tayong masasabi at hindi pa naman po yata nagre-resign si Speaker Romualdez. So tingnan na lamang po natin kung anong susunod na magaganap.
Last na lang po, ma'am. What does Malacanang think about the possible change of leadership in Congress? How will this help when it comes to preserving the integrity of the institution or the government as a whole, considering po na na-link din si Congressman Romualdez sa issue ng flood control projects, although not directly, but he was mentioned.
If ever man po na mag-resign si Speaker Romualdez, at ito po ay para